If you're feeling lost, listen to me. I was there too. And that's why I know exactly what helps. Firstly, feeling lost is actually great. Yes, you heard me right. Because feeling lost is a sign of discomfort, and discomfort is a sign of growth. If you are someone who's happy in their life, in their day to day activities, someone who's okay with where life takes them, then it's good. It's good for them. But some of us are not built that way. Some of us have a fire within us. We want greater things for us, and the present just doesn't feel right. But that's usually not the problem, right? The problem is that we don't know where we want to go. We want to go somewhere, but we are just not sure where. And that disturbs us because while you figure it out, you're stuck in your mundane life. But here's something that I want to tell you. You feeling discomfort in your present life is actually good because not everyone has that discomfort. And you wanting something more out of your life is actually a great start. So you need to applaud yourself rather than telling yourself that you lack something. Now, coming to the feeling of being lost, you're feeling that way because you haven't figured it out yet. You just don't know where you want to go. And sometimes that feels like a problem, right? We start to feel that maybe it's our fault that we are not able to figure out where we want to go in life. We feel that it's our problem that we are feeling lost in our life. But actually, that's not the case. I know I've been there and it's not a good place to be. But here's what you need to hear. You actually have a growth mindset. You like challenges, you like difficulties. You just cannot accept your present comfortable state. You just cannot be happy in your current fixed mindset. For reference to this, you can read the book Mindset by Carol Dweck because this is where I learned this from. If you have a growth mindset, you can never be happy doing the same comfortable tasks over and over again. You like challenges, you like difficulties, and you are your happiest when you are overcoming challenges or when you are doing something out of the box. So that is why this is actually not a problem. This is the mindset that you have, and it's actually a good mindset to have. If you have the growth mindset, you usually believe that you have the potential to go beyond. And that is what makes you look further. That is what makes you try different things that are not usual or regular, or things that are not something that everyone would easily understand, but you still want to do it. So, my friend, you're actually not lost. You just have a growth mindset. And because you have decided to think beyond the regular, you also need to have faith in yourself. Because sometimes faith in yourself is all that you have. So, you need to stick with yourself even if no one else does. You need to believe in yourself even if no one else does. And just because you're feeling lost, it doesn't mean that you lack something or that the problem is with you. Like I said, it could be that you have a growth mindset and that's why you're feeling lost or unfulfilled in your life. That has nothing to do with your capabilities, your qualities, your qualifications, or your potential. So, firstly, you have to stop telling yourself that you are at fault. And once you do that, you will realize that you will feel much lighter. Because most of the times in our life, we tend to blame ourselves for everything wrong that happens in our life. And that is where we make a mistake. Once we stop blaming ourselves, it is only then that we'll be able to see the clear picture. We'll be able to see the exact reasons for which we are feeling this way. Once you have found your reason, it is only then that you can work on the fix. So, for example, I was feeling lost some time back, and that is the time when I actually seriously started journaling. I started writing down my thoughts. And when I started writing down my thoughts and scribbling down my thoughts in random order, I realized so many things from it. I got to know myself better. I got to know the patterns that were building up inside of me. And this is how I figured out why I was feeling lost. So once you have stopped blaming yourself, you will also be able to see the clearer picture. You'll be able to see the exact reasons. So yeah, that's all that I wanted to talk about in today's video. So on that note, I will close this one here. I'm shooting from a cafe, so the video and audio quality might not be that great. But I really hope the message reached you and I hope the message helped you in some way. So I'll close this one here and I'll see you again very, very soon in my next one. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.